Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for coming and checking out another video. Today's episode, oil change on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. It has the K24 motor, and we're going to go through step by step. Step 1, pop yo hood. First thing we're going to want to do is pop the dipstick and loosen up the oil cap. This will let air go in nicely through the top and allow the oil to come nicely out the bottom. Use a 17mm to loosen the oil plug, pull it out, and let the oil drain into your drain pan. While your oil is draining, you grab a pair of these guys here, and you grab the oil filter and go lefty-loosey. Unscrew the oil filter and let all the oil stop dripping. And then just drop your oil filter in your drain pan and then wipe up all the surfaces. You're going to put some oil on the O-ring. You're going to clean up any dirt or debris that might be on this mating flange, and then you're just going to screw this guy on. And only screw it on hand tight. Do not use a tool to tighten this guy down. Just done. Don't tighten it any more than hand tight. Once this thing's done dripping, you just put the plug in, tighten it down a little bit, fill it up about 4.7 quarts. There's still some left in here. You have two holes here. You want the oil to be right about here, 3/4 of the way pretty much to the top hole. Screw in the oil fill cap. Make sure your dipstick is pressed in all the way. And then we're done. Pretty simple.